Hi everyone, in this video I will walk you through the call settings for your AI agent on SigmaMind AI and show you how these settings help your agent handle calls more efficiently. On your agent builder, click on this agent setting. Go to this call setting. Here you can see first one is voicemail detection. So when your agent plays a call, sometimes it reaches a voicemail system instead of a real person. So with the help of this voicemail detection enabled, your agent recognizes and take action based on that. So here you can see we have two options, hang up and leave voicemail. So whenever your agent detected it is going to a voicemail system, then it will end the call at that time only. But if you have selected this leave voicemail, then here you can define a message that you want to leave for your user before ending the call. With the help of this option, your message actually delivered to your user. Next one is send reminder message. So whenever there is no response from the user, AI will send the follow-up messages to the user. You can set the time here, like in every 30 seconds, if there is no response from the user, then AI will send follow-up messages. Here you can set the time, how many times you want to send the follow-up message. Let's say I have selected this the two times. So then AI will send the follow-up messages to the user two times here. So with the help of this settings, follow-up messages will send to the user when there is a no response. Next one is end call on silence. So whenever the customer pick the call and there is no response from the customer, then AI will end the call at that moment. If you have set here 5 minutes and in for the 5 minutes there is no speech from the customer, then AI will end the call. So this option actually saves call cost and time as well. Next one is max duration. So here you can actually define the time limit for the call. For example, if you set it to 10 minutes, the call will end after 10 minutes. This stop call from going on too long by mistake. So these call settings actually help your AI agent to save time, sound professional, and manage call better from start to finish. You can use these settings in your AI agent on SigmaMind AI. Thank you.